Jamaica will be a well-developed country. And when I read comments and hear my fellow beautiful Jamaican people I rebel against progress, it touched my heart. You have to give Andrew credit. Andrew a good quality person. You understand? Look how Andrew carry himself. Nice, decent person. Always looking nice. Speak very intelligent. Me never hear Andrew bring down Mark Golding yet. And speak bad about Mark Golding. Or speak bad about other politicians. Andrew, you can see that Andrew have the PMP MPs them. He reach out to them and talk to them decent and have good conversation with them. So Andrew work, you man in a bad energy. So so for us now, as fellow Jamaicans, it doesn't look good for us to put down Andrew Holness and behave bad. You know what I mean? We support, well we are Jamaicans, we support the thing, man. The country are built up, we go support it, man. Because a long time, we are drive on bad roads and them thing there. And we have to walk with all bucket of water to go up hill and them thing there. We don't want to live so. We want to eliminate the boardhouse them out of Jamaica. We don't want a boardhouse of Jamaica. Because last time I come to Jamaica, I don't really see none, but I know say them still existed. Right? Maybe in the rural areas and things like that. But we don't support, man. I support, We're all Jamaicans, We could have show unity and strength. And give Andrew the strength to continue the journey. Because me have friends who are PMP tell me, say, Andrew them I vote for. You understand? Yeah, so Andrew do a good job, man. People, let me tell you something. Say Andrew Holness, and if you support Andrew Holness, yeah? You can see that Andrew genuinely feel proud to help the people in my country. Because the man issue concrete house with solar panels I give it people them. Some of the elder people them they crying. I said they never seen nothing like this before. You understand? It trust me. It really touching, man. See that the man really care. And you can see that Andrew are trying to eliminate poverty in Jamaica. That's what Andrew is doing. So when we come up and say social media now, I hear people are talk about Andrew Holness. I burn out Andrew Holness. Make me smile because I'm like, you guys really serious? Bro, this man have so much ambition. And that's why everything I show, because Andrew have ambition, Same people, same as if you have ambition. It's going to show because people going to see that in you. People with an ambition always look mash up and them surrounding look tear down and, you know what I mean? Lack of motivation and all them something there. But Andrew a good youth. So some want to support this man. Just to say, in the future, when Andrew term ended, Andrew out of power, gone, resign, done politics, we may hard, to find another person like Andrew. Because it's not only what he's doing, it's the ambition we have doing what he's doing. You get me I say?